And he says, I should know. Do we just leave on to a pair of vegetables?
Cleaning and cleaning rituals are very involved. It's not just a one-night affair.
2 nights. Whatever. But look, I'm serious. Lucas and I, we have something. I'm not sure what. I will pursue it.
For sex.
No. No.
Here's my front yard and my car. And the neighbor kids shoveling out the cars. 40-ish centimeters in 24 hours. I've never seen this in my life. And here's my backyard with all the snow that we had this year. Never once did it cover so much. And just to be clear, all of this was melted yesterday. There was no snow covering on the climbing structure. There was no snow on the stairs. There was no snow on the balcony or on any of these things that are now covered in snow. There was still a little bit of snow on the ground, but most of the ground you could see the grass. And that was yesterday morning.